guys, welcome to another episode of Jeff-Figery. Today, I finally finished up our Xmen set. My Psylocke came in with Lady Deadpool and Xmen Deadpool from GameStop, of course. While I was out at GameStop, I saw a little Space Invader. They said they had some green ones too, but then that sold out already. So, got the little pink one. Also, not sure if I ever showed, but we got Big Boy from Stockton Con yesterday. And Lil Bro picked up the Icon, Bazooka Joe. The box a little dinged up, but no problem there. I used to chew on this gum all the time and read the little comics on them. Alright, continue on. Oh yeah, the White Tiger Zord. Very, very fortunate. Lil Bro needed some shoe cleaner, and we happened to be out there. While we're out there at the mall, I checked Instagram. Posted 6 minutes ago. They have White Tiger Zords. I'm like, okay, cool. Went in, scooped one up. Think I was first one to get it, not sure. Alright, on with the figs. Sabretooth. With this, we'll build a brand new Apocalypse. We're really looking to the Sabretooth there. Pop it out. Try to be more delicate than I usually am. Oh my God. Locked in there. My shield. Yeah, here we go. Sabretooth hair, very nice. He got open mouth, jaws, teeth. Removable fur. It's gonna be a long day today for me, guys. A little cranky, so I'm tired. Woke up early. Neighbors working on the fence. Little noisy. Arm. Next up, let's see. Let's open up a Psylocke, the one we've been waiting on, just so we can do this vid. Now, of course, we didn't get the variant, but, you know, normal Psylocke's still nice. We did see the variant Psylocke at Stockton Con, but it was like 80.
It's not a variant.
What?
It's not a variant.
Not a variant, whatever. You guys know what I mean. There we are, Psylocke. I believe the other one's what, black hair and more of a shiny purple, blue. Psylocke does come with a psionic katana, which she will hold in her right hand, because that's the only hand we have with open grip. Psionic mask as well. I don't know, I guess you'd call this a blade. Oh shoot. Call this a blade. You know, puts on the wrist and shank. Didn't put that mask on, right? Does this mask fit? That's interesting. Okay, on with the figs. I'll figure everything out eventually. Where we at?
Yeah.
Another one I was looking forward to in this wave was Storm, since the other Storm is kind of a little too pricey to get, you know what I mean? glad they issued another storm. There we go. She does come with a lightning effect similar to the one Thor came with for his battle axe. Oh, she actually comes with two. One fell out right there. Oh, nice. Little lightning bolt earrings there as well. So, after we finish up this X-Men wave, not X-Men, Deadpool wave, we'll be able to really get into our shelves there. And pretty much done for the year after that. But of course, you know we still gotta get some NYCC pops. Maybe some Black Friday mystery boxes as well. There we have multiple men. I want to army build him. I would love to. But I have to cool down on the spending a little, so maybe later on. Right now I do have two though. We'll just open one on here though. Alright. It's multiple man. Comes with two alternate heads. Kind of promoting that army build. And we have, what is this? The right leg. I'll get those out later. Nah, I'll get them right now. I'm a fool. Of course, one head mask on is actually grinning. This one's kind of a mean mug. Then the other alternate head there. Unmasked, just kind of plain face there. Magneto. Now, I think Lil Bro will actually prefer his Marvel Select Magneto. It is Marvel Select, right? Toy Biz Magneto. I don't know what I'm thinking. And Magneto will also come with. Oh, they're reusing these, huh? Two lightning effects. Cape removal. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that was supposed to happen, but I just lifted this up and kind of came off his cape.
Oh my god.
I didn't even use a lot of force. I just pulled him out and yeah. So, Magneto, helmet headed, non-helmet head, magnetic hands, of course. A little see-through, both sides, and then we need to change them up. Closed fists, Apocalypse almost done there. He just needs a head. Who doesn't come with a piece? Wolverine doesn't come with a piece. He does come with a piece. What are we missing? Tentacles. They really had to just throw in some tentacles there. Pipe, tube, whatever. Oh, there we go. Gladiator. Just toss it stuff to the side. There's that head there. Look at these capes. What's Gladiator looking nice? Might just, is he just a redo? Same thing as the old one? I'm not sure. Kinda similar. Yeah, I'm just sending them down real quick, guys. And of course, our Wolverine. I want to be careful pulling them out because I don't want any part of his mask or shoulder coming out like Magneto's did. Oh, okay. There's a nice Wolverine. You can see, a little veiny, kind of hairy, I guess. Nah, it's just veiny. All right. It got 2 claws and his alternate hands will be closed fists, claws in. There we go. Let's pull it out, them tentacle tubes. 2 tentacles. Make sure I don't lose this hand. And let's build Apocalypse. Just piece them together real quick. It'll be simple. Leg in. Hopefully it'll be simple. Pop that in. I like it. Little metallic shine to it. Supposed to come out. Yep, that can come out. And there goes Apocalypse. Of course, not the most unique mold for Build-A-Figure, but still nice Build-A-Figure nonetheless. And we got a little bonus, right, from Stockton Con. Not the proudest of this. I know it's been opened already. I could tell when I was trying to buy it. Guy would not budge on the price. Paint app is not the best. Agent Venom for my little Spidey shelf. Let's pop him out there. You can see on the front of him there, the little white spider emblems kind of chipped away and whatever. A little bit on the shoulder area too. But still a nice figure. Oh, I thought this gun was going to be removable, but no. It's there, stationary. Lots of stuff. He's also actually going to come with 4 guns there. 2 pistols. Another pistol, and then a little submachine gun, I guess. And tentacles for his back. Actually like the Back in Black Deadpool. Or I guess the Back in Black Deadpool is like him. Whereas it has the 4 tentacle piece back. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing as that one. Hold the guns and whatnot. Alright. That's going to do it for the unboxing. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the video. if you like the video, leave some comment down there, you know, give any feedback. I know it's not the best video today, but a little tired, cranky. And subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, share, you know, let everybody see. Not too bad. I still like, let's see, there's another wave I really like. Oh well, I can't remember right now. But thanks for tuning in, guys.